About your sports page 1 basa na MTN everywhere you go. My MTN app na abribia make can for the amount say obey bibia pesa your MTN. So my MTN app obesa ni momo a easy e my MTN app no so be check niam obesa ne obi credit but bibia we ya niam points obetimi dia disca class na dia guboto man points fa what F pack ni BX tablets can one of pay na den samna dia pro F pack BX tablet F pack no ya na be ko BX tablets na wo timi abobɔ bia na nnuano bia hore ya bra na wo yare no eno so atumi asa ba back with film and vogo. Now DBS National Limited can only add some nebra DBS roofing papa few DBS ya chom so ani aso DBS ye anyam den dem we boy. Be bo dan so a DBS. It in patcho ka send so san fam say wo ma tete omo niam na so say esan say nso to na e form ya din ntin no. E say kwan bia so no wo boa na yanso ya boa so ho tie boa ne say ya tete so no na wo so beto na bibia tima ko ye nkan de wo to de koja kuma se wo to de koja takpa de wo to a ye de ko akwa koja wo etika hye ne so sa efa ema me enma ko edi esi akonkon ne sports page 1 April live on Adom 106.3 FM Motalaja kwa champion let's go Brenston Rata Manyora Fell James Oiniba Makion Professor Wallace be producers and a problem coming one but in several at the April Kegyiwa Nangasanie Eric Asiedu Boadi Ava, yana masiensa weekend ya kala part ne mane ye fe obaya ya nshya da sabribia se kekan ho anamos ma kekan wona na de odu ntuma ba ne me so be ntuma ba ne de sie ni twe na neat pa mama ye number 1 yana masepa ya da masepa pa na I was live on Facebook ya Adom 106.3 FM Adom 106.3 FM ken we ne yeso yanka wo ho na yanko ani montempa so na ya be hyase edi afi the CAF Confederation Cup and a CAF Champions League ya two clubs na tie ni empowerment yema Sporting Club Boadi papa mo na winning Ghana League no and Dreams of the GFA Cup continent some koko gina mo Boadi de ma o my Ghana na me diema Sporting Club achieve secure qualification way for the first time wa Ghana club secure qualification in the last 11 years ye got 12-1 sa na wo lose 2-1 Horoya and so no more second leg game of the Premier so again nimu de now so sense first leg no Cape Coast so much in Grofway e bom 3-1 no near Cabo Macquarie 4-3 on aggregate and about Tom Diema 4 are qualified for the group stage of the CAF Champions League and yasam keto akura to say ni jesam and am Diema 4 na yepa na me patro be pie wo man mo na yasam keto a wo mo ba ye no no mo do airport na President of the Ghana Football Association, Ora Ketias, a Kakuna Chidom Kushamo, Kama, and Makwaba Tram said, no, I didn't know my year, dear my Ghana, I saw Ghana, ni papa, one Kosa, way at Nashasia, group stage, no money, since I didn't hear, Fain and Manaka and a cat, a question airport and somebody to Jabini.
I'm here to welcome you back to Ghana and to tell you how happy we are as a country and as a football family on this amazing feat of not only making yourselves proud, of not only making Ghana proud, but most importantly, qualifying to the next stage of this campaign. In saying this, I remember clearly my words to this family in Cape Coast, where I said to all of you that I have no doubt about the quality of players we have, and that I had no doubt about your ability to scale through or scale over this all-important hurdle. And true to my expectations and expectations of the entire country, you went to Conakry, Guinea, and you got the needed qualification that this country has been yearning for over 11, 12 years. There you go.
President Ket ES Okekuna, what didn't Samuel to just on live on our Facebook page. Abraham Diema for touch it down or any to say yes. Nanya bad the cry, Nanya oh to say Nigia Bao Airport. But Coach Evansado Tenia Coach Dema Medium on also Kasaka Crafts as a president Kasado.
All that I want to say is honestly speaking, you have created a good office. Your tenure has changed the fraternity of
One more forget.
You have more to do, and there's 8 to 12 16. We need more. Yes. And going back to the last time we played in Cape Coast, in fact, you gave us a few words of encouragement and motivation. And looking at you traveling all the way from Accra, rallying behind us, even on arrival, I left the place I was outside and I was called, say, it's a president to go. Now, I was here, I said, wow, president coming all the way to meet us. President, great job done. God bless you, man. Keep rallying behind us. And we'll also not disgrace you. Thanks for coming on.
Adom Sports, number one.
We and some coach Evansado to coach Panini Mambetiama Sporting Club. What are you two airport to Abra? If a president question on any live on our Facebook page, say Jama Pani Mumme, we are Bromo Tiplini, Mumusi from the yes, basket Servisham, and I finish on France National question more boy Jama Pa, fireplace in the Diasan. Okay, live on our Facebook page, be at the Mukri. Muniasa, Nyamwa, why are there? If I talk Dream Self is what I did and run at your time, and no more buy and patch out 1 Cologne FC 4-1 wine. From Cologne Stars of Sierra Leone, and what you say, yes, match in the Basel Liberia, Medium for a year. I had the idea, not Dreams of Force, yes, the idea of county Dreams of Force. So, and 1-1, no moment to qualify first, like where 2-1. It's a 1-1, and now also 3-2 on aggregate. No, I'm qualify at the Common Jenny Boatim on a poor goal, a Dreams of Saint, I'll put my bomb and Demotime come anymore. About Ghana clubs in your quite anymore, and it's just a quay at the moment Ghana Palm, 52,000 says more to more baby, but oh, there be an intensity, but with it, my dear party, your weapon pass it, what my boy Massa Mediama, and it dreams after now. The Ghanaian Premier League is so to us, so now, and you may have come near a Senate Ports City, maybe I'm a dear mother, never be a dreams FC for that, yeah, draw no. One up, Mediama between your Mako group, one a dreams FC no more Mako group, Mediama Portono, or near Twa, ne Galaxy, no name, Nwadi Bumune group, Montombe to Mesha, Tipi Mazembe, won't be to Mesha Pyramid, won't be to Mesha, Esperance, Lally, Muno, with that, Muno, bet Mesha, Etika Shanosa, Famame. Now, Ghanaian Premier League match day 3, much as a bar, so on Patronias and Ketua, none the House of Oku 4 German, so Restaka, Combia, so much mania winner, and no memenda, and 4 about 4 jazz of folk bomb Kaba could be 1 day Yakra 3, Boss of Folk Kabako, Obia Nas of Oku for Nano, or much mention on nice for winning 1 more second game or leaking him. Nanya Biamu Betimia to us for the Aquaman member for Katana Chamas if ye, a bomb Aquaman to me until near 1A, ya papa. Now after the game, and Quambia saw coach from Paul Mansoin, 1 year coach Pani Parma Bafo, and then someone to just the Niaja na Bama Balig, we say, really table, no so much just Robosoa, and yes, some Keto Crans, they said you quit the Mom Papa, or catch a France, and they say, Equi, yes, no, 1 month, and yes, Saka Crown be Trom, Poadabi, Sana League in the city, body, oh, boy, to the Biaberry, to the after 3 games, it is for Quatana with 7 points on top from Paul Mansoin.
No, it's a very good feeling. You can even listen to what is going on outside. It tells you the fans are happy. And then we are also happy. Initially, we decided not to allow House of Folk the space to play, especially in the midfield. So yes, in the first half especially, when we clipped their midfield, they couldn't play. It was rather we were dictating the pace. And we were also pressing them up front. So the first half, I think we played very, very well. It was in the first half that we should have scored. But then it was goalless. In the second half, we started and we got the goal earlier. So yes, it became a game that from there on we knew we were going to win. Yeah, that is football. You know, the supporters, all they want is for the team to win. They should understand this is football. Sometimes you can win, sometimes you can draw, and if the worst happens, even if it's in defeat, you need to understand the game. That is what I think fans should educate themselves for.
Why? Fripon Manson, yeah. Coach Penny Party Baba for Quatano, the Soma League table now so after 3 games, running some set to down. Abdul Rashid Bashir, as the folk assistant coach, was in Okre, in so Vimo, Vimo, 1 na, yeah, but for sure, my young yapa, a young yapa, but 1 more ball, you know, was saying, Hassan Yadi.
To be frank with you, we played so bad, especially in the first half. That wasn't the plan. The scoreline was a fair scoreline because they were ahead of us in the first half. But in the second half, we don't know what happened because we came in the first 2 minutes, they had their goal. Later part of the game, we came in the game, but it was too late. And I think they played so well, but they are spoiling the beauty of the game because anytime there are players going down and all that, that's my problem. But they play so well. They were far ahead of us in all the departments in the first half. But in the second half or later part of the game, we came in after we made some changes, but it was too late. So we'll go back and make. Then we made the corrections. That's football. After these 3, how do you call it, 3 matches, maybe we can start winning all the matches. That's football. We have to be patient and work hard and move on.
We has a folk assistant coach, not the most body, Masters here, and asked them, a bit more said, I can't number when it has fast this year, but Abdul Rashid Bashir. What are you two? I was no, Saturday game a bus one son and another come just near Carlons about 1-1. None other fieda. But then run you Metama Kumasa and the Corner, let's kick off. One which Namas Carla de Canto Charakan Pokra and a Koto Timmy Jamanas for Tiamuka. Nanyas and get to our fans, then papa. Coach Evans Adote and why Kojima I for Mediama for I can't talk what I say. Prosper Nete Ogum. 1 year Kojima Kotoko was Biabe fine. Neni Jipa chances neighbor and Chebefa.
I think it was just about the scoreline. We created so many obvious goal scoring opportunities. I'm sure some of the chances we missed, some of you even probably jumped thinking that it was in the net. So in terms of performance, I think the gentlemen did well. We created so many chances. But then the ultimate is to score and win. But then there are two faces to it. Did we do well on the field in terms of creativity, in terms of playing style? If we did well, then I think the future is brighter. We only have to try as much as possible to convert our chances both at home and away. We just have to put the ball in the net. Finish.
We just have to put the ball in the net. Finish. And only the Prosper Nete Ogum. One year coach Panidima Mama Tema Kumasa Saneko recorded to Adaladi Ibrahim, your captain, and no on the devil runner.
A lot of guys know new and in terms of experience, a lot of them know tested Premier League Nibida. So playing in this big club, it takes a lot. The only thing I positive the team know and they say day in day out and every match you improve. And we know as time goes on with the supporters how more encourage say upcoming games say things as a say the ball need to net anymore. Everything will change. I understand the game a lot because manya chance and painful be share. And when somebody come say that is how football is. Sometimes it's good say the chances will come. Say like start say bar. That's how both swing that to more things every. So in terms of pressure, but paying for your coaches they try to help us in terms of say psychological aspects. No money kasa or form kakra.
Kana Ibrahim, Captain Dema, Matema Kumasa, and Korokoro, and some say two jobs. You are sorry, on your best international the sports page, your bro, and Rena Swabukov. Nasan and Sumam say Great Olympics will be Biani Ghost as Kabako, Michael say go no, and the airport or crash post and Lagos City, Adriana, Esha Bonacam, you know, Timo Bakona RTU, and a Quando out of France game no acquire 2 Samates, Ebo, Bechem for war, and say Kanaya, one more Timo, a Bako, and Tishan, so South Fan waiting match Sawadwa, a bar, so I don't want somebody, Ebrewo, Yadikan Akabukum. Almost 1-1. Ukopiemo na ye twenimo as a Nekoro and a Karela Mediana 1-1 other games aka Mediama Mutu Kwakoba dreams for 2 Kwakoba no almost already Modiana Pim Sonia Heston and no Sobakoye Chanosa and so F my way and a Ghanaian Premier League man get 3 results and so Baswa and I want some sorry but we can need the investors Breo I'm Braya pass man you DC from Man City so this from about Ramado the Bogumu need to Palma Madrid as well as Wajabo Sonia anyway you come here near the one some and so at the Abra Fact BX tablet and Ponsen for the Canwana. Here is some idea bro DBS in the just limited about done to DBS. Hey, roofing concrete the Yomo. Yay, my intern up on a senior Canwa. Here is first page 1 idea, bro. Kaisa would it Nanka Sabaka Kegyiwa. Eric Asiedu Boadi sports page 1 it was said about on swam Yesha and for page 2.
Mr. Senye,